Hello everyone, so today is April 13. I am looking for a small forest where I want to record forest sounds. I'm gonna be using two microphones, Technica 80-20-35. I hope I'll be recording some stereo, very nice sounds of the forest. I really love doing this kind of thing. I know a place where I heard some very nice sounds, and I also like the place I'm going to. So this is the place we went here for camping some time ago. I think last year. A little river over there and a lot of birds. I need to film this and to record the sounds in this place. So I'm gonna be using my laptop, and I have an inverter in the car, and I will be using some electricity from that. I'm also using an audio interface for the condenser microphones. It really takes some time to prepare everything, to move to the place, and then to prepare everything at the place, and then maybe start recording something interesting. I also got some microphone stands, of course, because I don't want to put the microphones on the ground. The coolest thing, I think, it's we don't have any wind today. The forest is pretty silent, and that's very nice. Also, the temperatures outside will be higher later in the day. I'll be using Adobe Audition for this recording. It's 41 minutes past 8 in the morning, and I want to place the microphones somewhere with more space between them for extra soundstage. Yeah, I think something like this. Too bad I can't monitor stereo. All I hear in the headphones is in mono, because this is the way they designed this interface, this audio interface. But it's okay, I'm good. Now I need to make a coffee for myself, and then to make some silence. So now it's 10:30, and I want to see how the recording turned out. I let the recorder run for more than an hour and a few minutes, and there were some planes passing by, which I need to take out the recording where you can hear the plane. So I have only the forest, and there was only one car passing by on this road. So that will be an easy fix, I guess. Let's stop the recording. We have about 2 hours of recording, but that's not important, because for the first hour I was only testing and making noises around. I'm gonna turn off the phantom power now, and let's hear the recording. Oh, I have some very annoying noise. I don't know why. Oh no, this is compromised, at least after some point. So actually I think I have only half an hour of recording, and from which I need to take out the planes and maybe the car. The car was not, I think was not in the first half hour of recording, but I need to take the planes out from the recording. This is why it's not easy to record in the forest, because you get to have a lot of issues, and if something went wrong, you miss the moment and you need to come in another day. I still have some thrills from the birds, but they are not so nice. I think the best hour for recording birds in the forest is maybe early morning or late evening. It is what it is. Let's also take the Sony camera from where we recorded the forest. I think that will be nice. Battery exhausted. Okay, I need to put the computer in the shadow, because it will get warm outside soon. Okay, so now let's change the battery from the Sony camera and let's see how long is the last recording. I wanted at least half an hour and now the light is very strong. I will start the recording again. 87% battery. It's recording in progress. Now this is interesting. Some dogs came from up the hill and I recorded them barking. They are so nice. They are, I think, 6 of them. And I got to record them. Only audio. This one it's so big and it's so cute. Hey. I think it's also a bit old, but they are so nice. Also a bit scary, I think. Hey, don't eat my cables, right? They have some protecting irons or something. Because I think they get to fight with the wolves or some creatures, I don't know. I have them recorded barking and the nice thing is I have only birds, silence and the dogs barking in the forest with some forest echo. They sound very nice. I have moved the setup in the car because it's shadowy and I'll have shadow over here. So the recording is not working anymore because it's almost midday, not quite, but almost, and the microphones are capturing some noises from some bugs, I think, some flies, some mosquitoes or something. I don't want them on the recording, only the birds. I wanted only the birds, and I need to stop recording, so the recording here is still in progress. I stopped the Panasonic and start the recording with the Sony again, and let's go back to the car and see the dogs and the meadow. And I think I'm gonna get into the hammock and spend some nice time only with me. Hey. Hey. Nice dog. I think it's so hard to be a dog. Now I'm back home editing the audio for the video. I copied the files on the computer and I want to edit this in Adobe Audition. I need to get rid first of the voice I recorded while I was being there on the field while preparing. There is a plane, there are some birds of course, and a lot of noises like this. I closed the door of the car. And I think from this marker it will start the actual recording. No. A bit after this. I should have changed some marks, some clap, some talkings about where the clean recording is starting, but I know how to do it next time. Now I think this is the start of the good recording, and I'm so happy about the recording of the dogs. It's a separate recording, it's just normalized here and you can hear the dogs. I think I'm gonna be using this recording in a song of mine, and you will hear this on another video, maybe on a music video I'll be making pretty soon using these awesome sounds. Just listen to the dogs, just great. And there are some a lot louder. Too bad it's a plane behind the dogs. I hear the plane on the background, but it's not so important. I hear the dogs very, very nice. Great, and it's in stereo and it sounds great. From this marker on, I hear that noise on the background, some buzz. I don't know how I got that buzz, but I know I can't use the recording if it sounds like this. And I want to normalize this because yes, these are noises made by me moving around. I have 2 recordings. I want to normalize this one because I will be posting it on YouTube, and you can hear nothing if it's on this level. So I need to normalize it. So maybe you can hear the noise. Yes, now I know you can hear this. It's a lot of awful noise. Here the signal is clear. And from about this point I hear the noise raising up. So I need to move even further the marker. Okay, so now I have, from about 2 hours of recording, I got only 6 minutes of clean recording. And I need to check it again if it's really clean. Yes, this is it. I can erase everything else because I don't care about it. Really, only the dogs. I will keep the dogs here, and I want to maybe normalize this again. Maybe it's too amplified. Let me try. Now I have a hum of bass frequency and I need to get rid of it. Maybe it's some noise from the wind. And I have a preset. Okay, now it's very loud. Okay, I'm gonna keep this recording, and you'll hear it on a music video I'm gonna be releasing soon with the footage I have filmed in the forest on this session, using this very recording of the birds in the forest. Let's use the song Sharp Focus. So now I have the sound of the forest, and I have a song, and I have a video. It's a music video for the song Sharp Focus from the album Inner Infinity. I want only to see the forest and the sun and the shadows moving between the trees and the grass, and only to hear the song. And on the background I'll have some birds recorded in this session. So the music video starts here. These are the background sounds. This is my new music video. I'm gonna export it, and you'll hear it if you click right here. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks, bye.